Hello friends, welcome back again. Today in this video we are going to solve these mathematical expressions, and the problem here is 12 powered by x that is equal to 18. Then we'll have to find the value of 2 powered by 2x minus 1 that is divided by x minus 2. So friend, if still you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like icon. Let's start the video. So here in the problem we have to find in the base of 2, and here it is given 12, so we'll have to factorize it. So the factor of 12 we can write 2 multiplied by 2 and 3, and 18 we can write it as 2 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3, so that we get 18. So likewise we'll write it as 2 times 2 times 3, and it is powered by x, so we'll write x that is equal to 18. We will write 2 times 3 times 3. So here according to rule of indices we'll separate the power. Look at here, according to law of indices, if a times b times c it is powered by x, we can separate the power and we can write a powered by x times b powered by x times c powered by x. Likewise we'll write it here, 2 powered by x times 2 powered by x times 3 powered by x, and in the right hand side here 3 and 3 we can write 3 square, therefore we'll write 2 times 3 square. Now here again 2 powered by x and 2 powered by x, so we can write it as 2 powered by 2x times 3 powered by x. Here 2 powered by 2x we have written as, if a powered by m times a powered by m, we can write it as a powered by 2m. So likewise here we have written 2 powered by 2x, and that is equal to 2 times 3 powered by 2. So our next step is to make the similar power in one side. Here 2 and 2 will keep in the one side and 3 and 3 in the right hand side. So for the 2 base we will write 2 powered by 2x, and here this term will be in the denominator, so we'll write 2, and that is equal to, here we'll write this 3 square divided by, this term will right hand side and it will be divided, so we'll write 3 powered by x. Now this 2 value we can write 2 powered by 1, that will be 2. So our next step will be here, look at here, it is a powered by m that is divided by a powered by n. So here we have same base, so we subtract power, that is a powered by m minus n. Likewise we'll write 2 powered by here 2x, and here power is 1, so we'll subtract 1, and that is equal to, here the base is 3, so we'll write 3, and power is 2 here, and we'll subtract x here. According to this rule we'll subtract the denominator power, so we have subtracted x. Now we'll write it here, so it is here 2 powered by 2x minus 1, and that is equal to 3 powered by 2 minus x. So now we have 2x minus 1 in the numerator, and in the denominator we'll have to make x minus 2, so we'll multiply powered by x minus 2, that is 2 powered by 2x minus 1, and we'll multiply it by 1 over x minus 2 powered. So here we have multiplied powered by in the left hand side, and that is equal to 3 powered by 2 minus x. So here we have powered by x minus 2, so we will powered by 1 over x minus 2. So here we can write it as 2 powered by 2x minus 1 divided by x minus 2, and here 3 powered by, and from here we can take minus common, so if we'll take minus common, and this value will be x minus 2, and in the denominator that is x minus 2, so here x minus 2 and x minus 2 gets cancelled, so we can write it as 2 powered by 2x minus 1 that is divided by x minus 2, that is equal to, here we have 3 powered by minus 1, 3 powered by minus 1, this we can write it as 1 over 3. So we have the value of x to the power 2x minus 1 divided by x minus 2, that is equal to 1 over 3. This is our answer. So friends, this is very simple step to solve this type of problem. The only thing you have to make factorize in the term we have needed in the questions. So we have done accordingly and we have got this answer. So friend, if still you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching the video.